Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to unbox the Xbox Series S. This is not the Series X because that's way too expensive. But yes, this is the 512 GB 2K 1440p capable. I had originally ordered this on Amazon for Valentine's Day, but Amazon sent me plastic and puckered. But yeah, Flipkart delivered the right thing to me. So let's get into the unboxing. I'm super excited because this is my first next gen console and probably the only console for the next 6 to 8 years. So this is the Xbox Unpacked. It's really small, like this is the size of my palm. So you can tell how small and compact the Xbox Series S is. Now this is primarily a 2K console, that is 1440p, and in some games it will hit 1080p, 60 FPS, 120 FPS, and in some games it can go to 4K also, but it's a stretch. Now the only problem I have is this is a 2K console, this is a 4K TV. So there's going to be a lot of upscaling for me and my personal use, but for me it's fine. I'm a casual gamer, I'm not a hardcore gamer, so I don't want 4K. I'm going to be watching this from more than 6 feet, so you really can't see pixels. Also, I'm going to slide in a promotion. This is my channel, subscribe to the channel. For comparison, this is my Xbox One S, this is the Xbox Series S. Look at the size comparison. This is also 8-core AMD processor, Jaguar processor. This is also this, but technology moves really fast in less than 10 years. So you can see how this is a 4 teraflop machine. This is I think 1.2 teraflop machine. A big leap. So this is something new Microsoft has bought, and you have to download the Xbox app to set up the Xbox, which is weird, but I think they are trying to get your location and phone number, some data privacy shit. But anyways, this is something new. So this is a standard Xbox Series S, Series X controller that you get nowadays. You get a Type-C cable now, it's not micro USB anymore. You get a textured back, which was there on the previous version also. Honestly, I like the white color, but I also know it gets very dirty, and they're also very expensive. Yes, this is the next day. You can see a different t-shirt, and frankly, I'm too lazy to wear the black t-shirt again. But yeah, I've put about 2 to 3 hours of gaming on the Xbox Series S, and a few points that I want to mention in this video is that I'm a casual gamer. I just want to come home at the end of the day, have a few laps around Forza, play a little COD. I'm not a hardcore gamer, so I'm not chasing FPS, I'm not chasing the highest resolution. So for me, the Xbox Series S makes sense. Therefore, before this, I had the Xbox One S, which was good for me. But the Xbox One S got spoiled, so I had to upgrade. Otherwise, I wouldn't buy another Xbox in the first place. Now I know the PlayStation 5 is more powerful, the Xbox Series X is more powerful, but quite frankly, they're expensive, and I don't need that kind of performance for my type of utility. Now, if you're looking at getting into gaming casually, I think this is a good buy for the price, because at 36,000 that it's going at, it's very hard to get this performance of gaming. Even if you try to build a PC, I don't think you'll be able to reach this performance of gaming. But the upside of having PC gaming is today you might build a PC for 30,000, 35,000, but 6 months down the line, 1 year down the line, 2 years down the line, you might have some money, you can swap the GPU, swap the CPU, and get a way more powerful system. That is the latitude that a PC offers you, and that's absolutely amazing. However, I don't want to get into the thing of custom building a PC and all of that, though I did my research. But I don't want to get into it. I want to game on my TV, sit back on a couch, so this works for me. So if you're buying a console, if you're getting into gaming, see what works for you, because some people like handheld devices, they want to game on their phone. So a lot of handhelds are making way nowadays, so you can get into that also. That's all for this video. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. We've reached 15,000 subscribers, which is honestly great, because like all other YouTubers, I started from zero. So it's a great feat. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. And I'll see you all in the next one.